Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will be talking about the best electric deep fryer. If you are looking for accurate and reliable information, then watch the full video. So, let's start our review today. If you love golden, crispy, and delicious fried foods without the hassle of traditional frying methods, the FryDaddy electric deep fryer is the perfect kitchen upgrade. Compact, easy to use, and energy efficient, this fryer has become a favorite among home cooks. Professional quality results in minutes. It allows you to make crispy fried foods, like French fries, shrimp, chicken, onion rings, etc., with minimal oil and simple operation. Key features: efficient oil usage, only 4 cups for 4 servings. This fryer uses just 4 cups of oil to prepare up to 4 servings of French fries or other favorites, helping you save on cooking oil while reducing waste. Automatic temperature control, preset thermostat. No knobs, no guesswork. The FryDaddy maintains the optimal frying temperature automatically, adapting to preserve heat even as cold food is added. PFAS-free ceramic, non-stick interior and exterior. Both the inside and outside surfaces are coated with a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick finish, making cleanup easier and safer for everyday use. Handy lift and drain scoop. Instead of a metal fry basket, this fryer includes a scoop that lifts food from the oil, drains it, and serves it, eliminating basket clutter and simplifying the process. Snap-on lid for oil storage. A secure snap-on lid lets you store used frying oil inside the unit without spillage or odor, for reuse at your convenience. Compact and lightweight design. Weighing only around 3 pounds and measuring roughly 8.35 times 8.5 times 7.5, depth times width times height, it's easy to store on countertops or tuck away when not in use. Quick preheat and fast oil recovery. The fryer heats rapidly and recovers heat quickly after food is dipped into oil, helping preserve crispiness and reduce cooking time. That was today's review. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.